In this section on prelude to advanced MS Excel and VBA, we'll be touching upon some introductory concepts relating to Microsoft Excel and the Visual Basic for application for Excel, that is VBA for Excel. In addition, we'll also be illustrating the application of quite a few advanced Excel functions besides the normal functions of sum if, countif, concatenation, conditional formatting, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, hyperlinks creation, creation of data table, data validation application, preparation of a frequency table, generation of random numbers, statistical analysis, then also Monte Carlo simulation, then scenario analysis. These aspects are the key ones which we'll be covering under this section.